Hey guys, as for our last video tutorial, what we have seen is we know how to create a resource and how to create a new resource into my existing resource, or creating get and post methods, and what get is doing, what post is doing. This is our existing example which we created for the last video, but I just made a small changes in the resource name. Initially we have student service. I just make it is a common pattern, so I just made as a student service API and it will return student API. Okay, so as I said, we need to have a client when you're dealing with the post. We can write a Java client or you can write a JavaScript client, but again, those are, you have to do something else also, because that will make our work a bit harder. So we can use the existing client which is already available in Chrome Store, or some external third-party tools. We can use it. So what I'm saying is, you can, there are few very famous REST clients. The one is advanced REST client, the another one is Postman REST client. Okay, so do you know how to get it? It is a simple way. Just open your Chrome and there is a app icon here. Just click, it will show you all the apps which is already installed in your Chrome. See, I have a advanced REST client, and I have a Postman here. So in case I already installed it, so I didn't have to install it again, but I'm gonna show you where to get the clients. Just go to web store, and there you can find the REST API clients. You can find so many things, but just try to get the perfect one, so it will be easier for us to do our operations. Okay, so here REST client, RESTful API client, and you can search for Postman, Postman REST client. Okay, okay, then you can add it to Chrome and you can start using it, because since I already added it, it's not showing up here. I can search it here, Postman. Okay, okay, it's already installed, so I don't have to install it again. And we have different kind of clients which we can make use of it. Okay, so let's go with as of now, let's go with uh, maybe we can go with the advanced REST client. Just click, it'll open up a panel. Just wait for a second, it's taking a bit time. Okay, it is loaded now. So what we can do is, just, we have all the code changes which we made for the last video. We are going to use it because we know how the getters work, but we haven't tried the post method. Let me start the browser. I mean, start the what to say, the Tomcat server, and we'll run it once it's up. Okay, come on. Give me a second. Okay. Yep. Server started. Okay, I'm gonna run the application now. Run as run server. Finish it. So our client which I'm going to run is student service API. This is a get. Okay, let me try this. Okay, in advanced REST client. Here you can see the multiple methods. As I said, get is for retrieving the resource, and post is for adding a new resource, and put is for updating, delete is for editing, and patch here. Each and everything has a different operations. Okay, let's try the get operation. Control V. Okay, hit it. See, the same thing. Whatever you got it in the browser, you can get it here. Okay, get method, the operations of get you can see in the browser itself, but when you're going for the post method, you need to have a client which posts the request to the API. Okay, so here we can use the make it of post, and you need to mention what is the URL you're going to use. Student API. Okay, and you need to give a body here. It's not a raw input. Application XML. So let's take this. Okay, the user is, for example, what you can, okay, we can say Michael Jackson, Michael and Jack. Okay, so when I hit the send button, it has to call our create new method, and it will add the student into the existing list, and it will return the same student. Okay, just send. See, we got the new student information. Okay, and the same thing which we can try it in, I'm going to show you how it's going to work in the rest, I mean the what to say, the Postman interface also. Let's close this one. Let's open, go to Chrome Store, and go to apps folder, sorry. Okay, and try to open the Postman client. Just give me a second, it's take a while to load. Okay, it's loaded. I'm going to clear the old ones. Okay, so this is my URL, my get URL. So I got all the rest here. Let's copy this, Control C. I'm going to modify to the post method, so I can call the create student method, student API. Okay, so I need to provide the inputs here. Cookies body here, body you need to mention the request form, you need to choose raw and your text type, XML applications. This is my request, and again I'm going to use test user. So when I click hit, see both of them working as the same way, but the interfaces look something different. Okay, just try to utilize the if a beginner, just go ahead with the Postman interface. It's really good, and if you want, you can download the your system exe also, because you can install the Postman as a software in your machine instead of the Chrome add-on. Okay, just give it a try and post your comments and leave your questions. Okay, and I'll answer in a while.